What's up, everyone? It's Fusion Garage here. If you guys see my last video, I started wrapping the BRZ. Check out what I've got done so far. So we got the hood, front fenders, doors, roof. So quarter panels tackling today, and the trunk and the skirts. So let's get a few clips of me wrapping this thing, and then let's just see the overall look. I still gotta take these off. I gotta find some fish line. So we're just gonna heat the outer of it, and then just try to fish line them off. And then hopefully I tackle this rear bumper today too. And then I should only have about the small pieces. I started doing this one. Small pieces out, and door handles, and then just front bumper left, and then put together the car back. So let's get this done. I'm excited to show you guys what the finalized piece is. Aired out on my gold wheels, khaki green by Vinyl Frog. Let's get it.
Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side.
Okay guys, so we're getting just about ready to wrap the rear bumper. So let me show you guys what we're doing. First, we inlaid this top right here and inlaid the license plate area. License plate area is going to be all one piece and separate inlays on the top right here. So shout out to Nimbus Auto Styling for always giving me tips whenever I need it. So if you guys ever need some wrap done in California, I think he's up in the Redlands. So I usually hit him up if I get stuck or before I start the project with any advice what I should do first, and told me to inlay these ones first. So inlaying this, and we're gonna wrap the bumper, the rear bumper. Let's go.
Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up,
So we're wrapping the door handles right now. I got one wrapped right here. I still have to do an inlay on this part right here, but looks pretty good. Hopefully no pullbacks. Again, flush line right there. So he's working on the other one, and we're gonna wrap this up soon. It's almost done, guys. So we're gonna tackle the front bumper pretty soon. Front bumper's over there. So I don't know yet how we're gonna tackle this. This is a little bit different. I never wrapped the bumper that is shaped more on the top part. So I might have to ask some people for some tips, advice on how I should tackle this one. But I'm ready. We're ready for this. We're coming to the end of the BRZ. Everything's put back together. Door handles, mirrors. I still gotta screw the antenna back on. We did this antenna in one piece. Came out pretty clean. The whole rear's put back together. So really great. I have an imperfection right here. But why? Because I actually broke this black trim piece. So when I get a new piece, I'm gonna do another video of how to take this black trim piece off without breaking it. So I'll do a video of that, but everything's done right here. License plate back on. I got my custom badge I made. So we are ready. We're gonna do a time lapse of this bumper. We're gonna start out in the middle. Quick time lapse. Let's get this done. Again, if you need some wrap, use my code FUSION on their website and you'll get a little discount. Let's get this done. Another thing, before we start, to prevent any pullbacks, we are going to inlay this area first. We're going to inlay this area, and as we're bringing everything in, we're going to fold it a little bit in and cut it flush towards the lining. You won't even really notice the inlay.
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I...
Alright guys, the car is put back together. All clips, bolts, everything's on. Splitters on. Custom license plate delete. I got badges on. But anyways, last night we did finish this bumper. We started at roughly about 6 p.m. and we finished like at 10:30 p.m. No lie. So this thing kicked our butt, but we got it done. And I'm gonna tell you something for real, that this part got messed up right here. So I had to improvise and do an inlay. So what happened was I had closed this garage down and I forgot that I didn't have the bumper on before. So with the bumper on, it went straight down on it. Really upsetting. So it made two marks on it. So I made an inlay right there to try to hide it. So I ain't gonna lie about that. But yeah, this bumper did kick our ass. But everything looks good, and for us to do it, this is about our 5th car that we wrapped, and we're still learning experience, everything of the different cars, different body lines of different cars. But the best thing to say is we did it. This car isn't shop built. The only thing I'm getting done by a shop is by my boy AP Upholstery. He's doing my seats right now. I don't have front seats on. No front seats, so that should be done like maybe a day before Spocom. So it's crunch time. You guys want to stay tuned on how that looks. He is stitching me up some door panel inserts right here, so I'm gonna DIY it probably tomorrow. So you want to stay tuned on that video too. I'm gonna record it. I'm gonna show you guys how to take this panel off 2 ways and then wrap over it. So anyways, we're just gonna roll this up right here, get it a little bit some sunlight, and show you guys the wrap install by Fusion.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive.
Alright guys, now you see it. My 2022 BRZ wrapped in vinyl frog khaki green. Check it out. So the next video is going to be dropping very soon, because like I said before, the door panel fabric is coming. I got to install that. The seats are coming, and I got to finish the trunk setup. I got to add the projector screen, Nintendo Switch, up in the trunk setup. So if you guys haven't seen the other videos, you guys want to watch that video of my trunk setup that I did. And we should be all coming in crunch time. Spokane, Anaheim. Let's go. This Saturday, July 30th. See you guys in the next episode. We out.